everyone, this is Blair from Victory Auto Lock for Advanced Diagnostics. Today we're working on a 2018 Hyundai Sonata push to start. And you can hear the alarm's active. Let's see if that matters. A lot of cars it does. Alright, we're going to go to 18 procs. Connect. And program procs. Yes. We have it ready. And it doesn't read the pin yet, so I already have it. Alright, after pressing OK, we have 5 seconds to put the procs up. Okay? And the tip would be the business end. No, we do not. Okay, and it's telling us that it wants to disconnect everything first before we test it, which is fine by me. All right, let's try our remote. Let's see if it'll start. Of course it will. Once again, this is Blair from Victory Auto Lock for Advanced Diagnostics 2018 Hyundai Sonata procs. No problem with the Advanced Diagnostics Smart Pro. Thanks.